To be able to work with event subscribers, you need to create a code unit. You do not need to call this code unit by clicking a button or run it via a trigger, but this code unit will always be waiting for an event to happen automatically. To create an event subscriber, you can use the snippet t-event-sub. Just select it, and then you have to specify some parameters. Next, you need to select the object type. In this example, I'm going to select the table. Because I've selected the table, you need to specify which table. You can select this via database, and then you can select the table. To get a list, press the Ctrl spacebar. I'm selecting customer. Then you need to select to which event you would like to subscribe. Again, Ctrl spacebar will show you the available events. And for this table, we can see a number of trigger events. Let's go with the onBeforeModify event. The fourth parameter is only usable with the validate events, so let's leave this empty, and the other ones will be set to true. Voila. Then you can change the name of the function to onBeforeModifyCustomer. And if you press Ctrl spacebar within the brackets, you get a list with the available parameters coming from the publisher. Let's select the rec, and let's select the xrec parameter. Okay. Then you can start writing your code between the begin and the end block. So, for example, you can write your own logic between the begin and the end. Okay, let's create another subscriber via t-event-sub, and again selecting a table, the table database customer, and this time I will select the onBeforeValidate event. Let's search for it. Voila. Then I need to specify which field I would like to validate. For example, the phone number. And the other parameters will be set to true. Then I'm going to change the name in onBeforeValidate phone number and select the rec as a parameter. Okay, now I can write some code to check if the phone number contains a plus sign or not. So if rec.phoneNumber.contains a plus character. If it contains one, I will show a message to the user, and I will indicate that you cannot use a plus sign in the phone number field. Voila. Field. Okay. And then I will create a third one. Now I will select a code unit instead of a table, and then I have to specify which code unit. So let's select the sales post. No, not this one. Yeah, the sales post. And if I press Ctrl spacebar, I can see a list of all the available integration events in this code unit. And as you can see, this is a very, very long list. Okay. Now let's select one of the list, and this will be the onBeforePost lines. Let me search for that. Yeah, here it is. Then leave this blank and set the 2 extra parameters. Okay, let's give it a decent name, like onBeforePost lines or post sales lines, which is better. And then I can specify the sales line by reference and the sales header by value. And then it's up to you to write some logic that you would like to run when the code unit sales posts executes the post lines function.